In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most out of the new features in Microsoft Teams, including the exciting Together mode. Whether you're navigating a packed meeting schedule or just getting started with Microsoft Teams, these tips will enhance your virtual experience. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access Microsoft Teams. If you haven't already, head over to the official Microsoft Teams website. This is the primary hub for all your video conferencing, meetings, and calling needs. Once there, you'll see the option to sign in at the top right-hand corner of your screen. If you're not yet logged in, go ahead and click on it. Enter your credentials and you'll find yourself at the Teams homepage, which is where all your collaboration magic begins. Next, locate the video icon, usually found on the sidebar of the main interface. Hovering over the icons might help if you're unsure which one I'm referring to. Clicking this icon will open up the video conferencing feature, a crucial step for setting up your meeting. Now it's time to start your meeting. Once you've clicked the video icon, you should see an option to start a meeting. Click on Start Meeting to begin. This will bring up a window where you can adjust your camera, microphone settings, and more before officially kicking off your meeting. Take your time here to make sure everything is set to your preference. With your meeting underway, glance to the top right corner of the meeting window. Here, you'll notice a View button. Clicking on this will reveal several display options available during your meeting to enhance how participants are showcased on your screen. Now let's get to the star feature of today's tutorial, Together mode. In the View menu, you'll find an option labeled Together Mode Preview. By clicking on this, you'll transform how participants appear on your screen. Instead of the standard grid format, Together Mode arranges everyone in a virtual auditorium-like setting. This feature not only makes virtual meetings feel a bit more personable, but also helps reduce video call fatigue by putting faces in a more interactive and engaging layout. Exploring these features should definitely uplift your virtual meetings. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to navigate these options during your meetings to find the setup that works best for you and your team. Thanks for joining today, and I hope you enjoy utilizing these new features in Microsoft Teams. Happy collaborating.